What a beautiful house! It's like a palace.
What does Sandra do?
She's a teacher, like me.
Be careful. The floor has been polished. It's like walking on ice.
It's raining again. I hate weather like this.
What's that noise?
It sounds like a baby crying.
I enjoy water sports like surfing, scuba diving and water skiing. I enjoy water sports such as surfing, scuba diving and water skiing.
I didn't move anything. I left everything as it was.
You should have done it as I showed you.
I left everything like it was.
You should have done it as I showed you.
Or,
You should have done it like I showed you.
You should have done it like this. You're late as usual.
As always, Nick was the first to complain.
You can do as you like.
They did as they promised.
As you know, it's Emma's birthday next week.
Andy failed his driving test as he expected.
As I said yesterday, I'm sure we can solve the problem.
Or,
Like I said yesterday, I'm sure we can solve the problem.
As a taxi driver, I spend most of my working life in a car.
everyone wants me to drive them to places. I'm like a taxi driver.
Many years ago, I worked as a photographer.
many words, for example, work and rain, can be used as verbs or nouns.
London is fine as a place to visit.